Yeah, and with the introduction of the Mineral X tub with Alticid in it, it's kind of a double whammy type deal. I'm glad to see the straight mineral block for the summer use on these cows. There's a lot of these summers it's nice and green. I don't think you need high amounts of protein out there with good grass so much. So that's kind of where the straight mineral block with just a touch of protein in it, like the Sweet Pro tub's got around 5.25% protein. Basically a mineral tub is going real good for a summer program in this area with the type of grass we got. And then now with the Alticid added to the mineral tub, which you can get it either way, with or without the Alticid. But with the Alticid, I've got all my cows this summer on Alticid, and the cows that we got the tubs out at the same time the cattle went to summer pasture. We're seeing pretty good results. In fact, real good results. Some of the cows, we move our cows around a lot, and it's kind of hard sometimes to get it out there at a sufficient or the right time. And them kind of cows that maybe we was a couple 3 weeks late getting it out to the cows, it's kind of hard to tell just yet, because I think it takes a while for that Alticid to get into the cows' manure to make it work. So I kind of think we had a few flies before we got the Alticid out on some of those cows. Those cows don't seem to have quite as good a control as the ones I got it out on at the right time. So I think it's going to be quite a program for the summer months.